Good afternoon, friends. Once again, welcome to the online session of social studies. So we were into the chapter French Revolution. In the last video, we had seen that Robespierre Maximilian was executed. He was the leader of Jacobin clubs and he was elected. Now, so the Jacobin club or the Jacobin government, it fell down. So the fall of Jacobin government allowed the wealthier middle class to seize power. Now when the Jacobin club fall down, the middle class or the wealthier middle class, they came into the power. What they did, a new constitution was introduced now, which denied the vote to non-property sections of society. Now here, the people who will have property, who will pay taxes, along with them, the people who does not have property or do not pay taxes, they will also be able to vote now. So now what they decided, they designed the constitution like this or the political system like this, that they elected two legislative councils now. Earlier there was one council, now they elected two legislative councils. These two legislative councils will make then a directory. Directory means there will be directors. There will be 5 directors who will be having the power. This means that not a single one will have power, all the 5 will have to decide it together. Like in India, if you see panchayat, we say panch means 5. So 5 directors or 5 members of that executive directory were appointed. And these directors were appointed by these two legislative councils. This was because the power should not concentrate on one man. It should be divided. Like in earlier case, we saw that the power was only in the hands of Maximilian Robespierre. So now, because to avoid that, what they did, they made a directory of 5 people. So that's why we say now a directory rules France. But there were often many conflicts between the legislative councils as well as the directors. So what used to happen? The legislative council used to dismiss these directors. So however, the directors often clashed with the legislative councils who then sought to dismiss them. So because of this, what happened? There was a political instability. Directors will come for a few months, they will have clash with the legislative, they will dismiss them. Then again new people will come. So this led to a political instability because no leader was for a long time. All the leaders came for few months or maybe a year or so, and then they were dismissed. So the benefit or the advantage was taken by one person called Napoleon Bonaparte. So the political instability of the directory paved the way or gave the way for the rise of military dictator, that is Napoleon Bonaparte. We'll see about this more in our next year in 10th class. Okay, now this was about all the outbreaks of revolution from the start. We have seen that men were active in this. But did women play an important role in French Revolution? Shall we go through it? Did women have a revolution? Yes, of course, women played a major role in this. From the very beginning, women were active participants in the events, which brought about so many important changes in French society. They also made their clubs. Most of the women of the Third Estate had to work for living, because when there was a war against Austria and Prussia, most of the people, men, they went to wage war against them. So all the responsibility of working came towards women. Most of the women did not have access to education or job training. Only daughters of nobles means rich people or wealthier people of the Third Estate could study at a convent. But also after studying, they were forced to marriage. Working women also would have to take care of the children. Not only they were working, but they were taking also care of the children and their families, right? Then their wages were lower than those of men. So these were the problems which were faced by the women at that time. So what they did, in order to discuss and voice the interest of women, they started their own political clubs and newspapers. About 60 women's clubs came in the different French cities. Not in one city, but in different cities, there were almost 60 French clubs, women's club. The Society of Revolution and Republican Women was the most famous of them. One of their main demands was that women enjoy the same political rights of men, because till now men were able to vote, but women were not able to vote. So they wanted that they should also get this right to vote. Women were disappointed at the Constitution of 1791 reduced them to passive citizens. Because what we have seen in 1791, all people who are not paying taxes more than 3 days of laborers' wages, and women were taken as passive citizens. They demanded the right to vote, to be elected to the assembly, and to hold political office. These are all their demands which they asked to the government. In the early years, what happened in the starting years, the revolutionary government did introduce laws the government introduced laws which improved the lives of the women. What they did, with the creation of state schools, the government created their own schools. Schooling was made compulsory for all girls. So girls now got the right to education or the access to education. Marriage was made into a contract entered into freely and registered under civil law. Now it was under civil law, so all laws will be there. So they cannot be forced into marriage, forced divorce will not be there. So their life was improved somehow. Divorce was made legal and could be applied by both women and men, because it was under civil law now. Women would now train for jobs, they used to get training, could become artists or run small businesses. So they got more freedom now. Women's struggle for equal political rights, however, continued. The political rights still, till they were not able to vote, all these benefits were given to them by the government, but still, to get the political equality or to get the power to vote or elect someone, it was not given to them. It continued. It was finally in 1946, maybe you can see 60 years back, women in France won the right to vote. See how pathetic situation was of the women, because in 1789 they got the freedom, they became constitutional monarchy. Till then also, till 1946 women had to wait to get the power to vote. So these are today's, we have taken two sessions. One was regarding the directory rules France. Second, did women have any kind of part in the revolution? Now we will go in our next session. Next session will complete this chapter. It will be about abolition of slavery. I hope you enjoyed the session. Thank you. Have a nice day.